If your TCL Roku TV is kinda stuck in recovery mode and just keeps showing the same screen even after restarting the TV, here are 3 ways to fix it and get your TV back to normal without losing any data. So first, if you have your remote, from the recovery interface, select the language, and then connect your TV to Wi-Fi by choosing your network and entering the password. And after that, press Update Now. And once the update is complete, your TV will restart and go back to the home screen. But the second way to get out of recovery mode is to use a pen or paper clip and just press the reset button once. This will restore the TV and can bring it out of recovery mode instantly. Now, if none of this works, the third and most effective method is a cold boot. Just unplug the TV from the power source, wait a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in, and it should clear the recovery mode and start normally. That's how simply you can get out of recovery. Thanks and take care.